15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6.
This is 420 Law Office Radio.
Hello, Stuart Richland here from 420 Law Office and here on the YouTube channel. Boy, it's fantastic to be right, you know. And you can't win them all, but one of my great mentors said you can gloat for a day if you win, and you can be depressed for a day if you lose, but no more. So I am happy to say that I was utilized as an expert witness with reference to medical marijuana last week by a defense attorney, Joe Walsh, here in Superior Court or Criminal Court at 210 West Temple Street. That's a serious place to be, and the person was accused with serious felonies. In fact, there were 7 counts regarding medical marijuana and another unrelated count. As to the medical marijuana counts, the jury came back with not guilty on all 7 counts. Am I ecstatic or what? And as to the 8th count, there was a hung jury, but it was 11-1 against conviction. I think it's very unlikely the city attorney or prosecuting attorney will refile. So I think this is just amazing news for the concerned plaintiff and their collective group. It is now evident that he did nothing wrong. A jury of his peers has so determined, and he's got some interesting things about his case, including what about the collective that was interrupted due to improper prosecution by the city of LA. So we have a great victory to report here for 420 Law Office. This is now my 4th opportunity to testify to a jury, and you can add that to about 9 times in which my affidavits were significant in simply just because what I wrote was enough to get people out of trouble or to get their charges reduced or to get a deal. So now I'm sort of batting 100%. I'm not saying that that's going to be the reality in the future. I can't guarantee that. But criminal defense attorneys, I would sure be happy to be your expert witness. I'd love to talk with you about the collective defense, the cooperative defense, the caregiver defense, and the individual defense, and the way they interlock and interface in light of federal, state, and local law. In this particular case, the prosecuting attorney tried to make a big deal of the fact that there were some images of the people in this collective consuming marijuana together in a jovial mood. And I was very happy to have countered those or handled those questions by pointing out that just because someone is sick with whatever disease their doctor or condition their doctor has indicated marijuana provides relief for, doesn't mean that they're not allowed to smoke marijuana, and it doesn't mean they're not allowed to socialize and to be happy. You know, there was no real evidence there. The city attorney was, or maybe it's a district attorney, was basically trying to establish that these people were having fun, therefore they couldn't be patients under the Compassionate Use Act. And the jury rejected that, I'm glad to say. So anyway, it's a great day over here. I'm going to have my 1 day of celebrating and then go back to normal. And I'm very glad to report that good news. And justice, like they say, justice worked this time for this fellow. I hope it always works. I hope it works for everyone in America and everyone in the world. Take good care. Check out Legal Team Fights Prop D on Google. This is my book that I use in connection with my $500 consultation here in my office. It takes an hour. The book is 108 pages, constantly revised. This is the 9th edition. I look forward to reviewing federal, state, and local law with you. Just give me a call and I'll be happy to book your appointment.